Hi, this is just another quick sound sample in terms of comparison of the Enya Nova U. Um, I've been very impressed with the sound. It's said to be the materials to be very durable, which is gonna be great to be travel ukuleles or one of those ukuleles that you can take to places and not have to worry much about it or change your weather. And I think another kind of ukulele that fits on this description are the plastic ukuleles that said to be waterproof. And now I don't have such a great one. I have one that's called Vorson. They go for super cheap. I think I got from American Music Supply, if I'm not mistaken. And I usually use this ukulele just to throw on the couch or if I need to take it outside or I don't know if I'm playing by the water or something like that because this is completely made out of plastic. Of course, except the tunings, the tuning machine. Sorry, um, but otherwise it's completely plastic. So there's some flaws to this instrument. I feel that it's starting like to getting to lower a little here on the top of the ukulele to start low around the sound hole, and the C string has been a little problematic on those upper register, uh, getting a lot of buzz, and all the other strings seem fine. But I feel just to throw some up chords up here and having fun just to throw around. That's why I keep this instrument around. But just to show how the new ukulele, the Enya Nova U, it's a step up from this one in terms of sound. And so it's just a quick sound sample of this. So there you go. So has a nice volume, and it's like I said, there's some problems in construction with the one. The action, it's not great, especially now that now they have those problems in the construction with the around the sound hole start to lower. So yeah, but this one, of course, there's no problem with that. And just to compare with the sound. Yeah, so that's just a quick sound example that maybe the Enya, the carbon fiber, really lends this brightness, and uh, it's has a good volume, and it's just a pleasant sound. And of course, it doesn't sound like a wood uh, instrument would sound, but I don't think that's the purpose of it. And I just wanted to make a quick comparison to what to expect about getting completely plastic ukulele in a sense. There are other brands in there, of course, they're much higher end. But I think in all of them, I hear this comment about the boxiness. I think even one of the reviewers I heard that sounds like a lunchbox, and it does have this characteristic of being kind of a very muffled sound and all, but you kind of go along with it just because it's so easy to have around and it's so cheap. I think those still go for less than $30, and just to throw around, or if you have kids, just not, you don't have to worry about it. It's a good idea. But now there's this bird, there's this here, which is kind of uh, I think it's a great, like a big deal in a sense, because it's plastic but has the carbon fiber, so it's gonna be durable. and it does have a great sound. And comparing the carbon fiber element with the other instruments also made of that material, this one has a much better value for now. So yeah, so just a quick video. I'm excited about it. This instrument, it's very cool to have around now. And just wanted to add this. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be glad to answer anything. Bye bye. Good day.